The other day I had a problem with the curling iron. What was happening after plugging in, the LCD came up, and this is like a T3 single pass whirl curling wand apparently. Anyway, I plugged it in, and LCD came on, power came on, everything seemed normal except it wasn't heating up at all. Sure enough, I took it apart, and first thing I did, I checked the element. The heating element, it's ceramic, so they rarely break. And in this case, I had continuity on there, so it wasn't that. It's not the thermistor either, because those just never break. So the hardest working part on this, other than the heating element, is the Triac. In this case, it was a T138 Triac. So after soldering off the old one, and the old one, when I measured between 1 and 3, it had like a really odd reading. It was like 1,000 ohms or something. After I soldered it off, and I had to get like a really heavy-duty soldering iron because the metal was really soldered good. I soldered in the new one and plugged it in, and sure enough, it worked. So if you have one of these and it doesn't heat, it's probably the Triac.